best to record at the highest quality you can. You want to get a high quality recording, and you want to do what you can to make sure that the content of the higher quality recording is high quality. So there are a couple layers of quality. If an audio file that you're editing is of a lower quality, you can't export it as a higher quality and add any value to it. All you'll be doing is making a larger file, but you can't improve it by changing the file type. Well, can I just fix it, turning it into a wave? It doesn't really work like that because the actual content isn't there. And so if you record in a higher quality, there will be more content in the file. And then even if you compress that file into a smaller size, so you can say share it online, the quality will still be in the file, it's just compressed. Whereas if the quality was not there to begin with, there's really no information that can be made sense of. And so there will be insertion of random sounds to make up for the pieces of audio that are actually missing. So if you've ever listened to a low quality file on the internet or downloaded a file and it sounds like it's coming from the end of a metal tube, that sort of tinny sound and any kind of blips and clicks, that's all missing information. It's just information that's not there. The lower the quality, the less information in the file. When you're downloading music files, you can usually choose what quality you want to download. And on Bandcamp, some releases, they'll allow you to download a FLAC, which is very, very high. And a lot of people will always download their music in FLAC form. But FLAC files take up a lot more space. So it's about whether you want to buy more storage and have the highest possible quality audio file, or you want to save on space and just have lower quality files. And for a lot of folks, they say they can't tell the difference. And that really depends on what bit rate we're talking about, what quality.